Welcome back, art fans, to another painting, another Wednesday's works on Flowworks. We're going to do a small piece today. It's just going to be an abstract painting. This one's going to be a simple little painting. You can follow this one at home. Dead simple. We're just going to be using just a mixture of different colours, mixing them up. Going to be mixing in with some gloss medium, coming up with something abstract. So what I've done, I've pre-painted the background of this canvas with some burnt umber. So if you watch my previous video, you'll understand why we sort of paint the background first to create that sort of depth into the painting. Enough of me jibber jabbering, as Mr. T would say back in the 80s. If you're old enough to know who that is. Let's crack on with this painting. We're going to give it a little roll like that, and we're going to give it a little roll like that. There you have it. That is a quick and easy little abstract piece. You can do this one at home. I just sort of used these three main colours, mix them up with a bit of gloss medium, and your paints will look like an actual oil painting rather than an acrylic piece. And all that's left for me to do now is give this one a little signature. So. Join me in next week's video. We're going to be doing the same size but coming up with a completely different design and finish to the painting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.